guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we're going to be unboxing my Sephora Play. What is your name? My Play by Sephora. And before, I wanted to show you guys my new earrings. How cute are these little butterflies? I got them from TJ Maxx, and TJ Maxx is my favorite place to go and get like 14K gold jewelry for cheap, but I just wanted to show you guys because they are so cute. They're for babies, but that is not why we're here today. We're here to unbox or unpack these, so why don't we just get started? I haven't tried any of these products, but I already looked through it, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit disappointed by the size, which I know is gonna be stupid because we all know Sephora sizes are very bad, but I don't know, for whatever reason I'm always expecting at least deluxe size. So first thing that we got here, it is the, I don't know how you call this, but like the little book, and of course it comes with the card that if you go to the store and buy something, you can get 50 extra points towards your account or whatever that is. I never use this because I don't really like going into the store. I shop everything online, but basically it tells you like a bucket list for things that you can post on your Instagram. So I felt like that was such a cool idea. On the other side, it just tells you everything that you're gonna receive in your bag, and this month theme is Insta Beauty, so I guess it's everything related to Instagram. The first thing that we got, or that I got, is this Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss. It is just a tiny sample, of course, because that's what Sephora is known for. That is how it looks like. It smells like mint, which I don't mind. I just hope that it don't tingle because I don't like that sensation on my lips. Okay, the next one is this, again, super tiny sample of the Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For No Filter Mattifying Primer and Complexion Perfector. I haven't used this, but I'm really excited about trying this. I don't know if it's really gonna do anything new for my skin, but this is how it looks like, and it is mattifying. I can see it on my hand, so I am excited to try that one. The next thing that I got is this, what are you? It is a blurring skin tint with sunscreen, SPF 25, and look how tiny this is. This is tinier than a concealer, and I don't even know if it's gonna be my color. It looks kinda, I don't know. That's how that looks like, and it looks like it's gonna be my color, but you never know. It's a tiny bit yellow, which I always consider myself to be yellow, but I don't know, it looks a little bit too yellow and kind of too dark, but who knows how it's gonna look on my skin. Might work. So I am excited about that one because I hate foundations. I'm used to the Glossier, that's what I use, and now I am obsessed with this one. I got a sample from Sephora and I love this. Like, I absolutely love this. Okay, the next thing is this Fresh Juice Preserve Rescue Mask, and I am excited about this. I love Fresh and I had never tried this, and this is not a bad size at all. Super excited about that. And the last thing I got is this, I don't know how to pronounce it, Purity maybe, and this is a moisturizer, and I tried the Purity face wash that everybody loves, and I hate it. I don't like cleansers that I feel like it never rinse off. Like, I had to keep adding water and trying to rinse it up, and you still feel like you have something on your face. That's how that one felt like, and I hate that. I want my skin to feel clean because that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to clean my skin. I am still excited about trying this because it's a moisturizer and I love moisturizers, but I don't know. We'll see, we'll see. But that is all for my Sephora play. But look at these sizes, like honestly. I mean, this one is good, but really, I mean, I know it's only $10, I know, but still, like, at least give me deluxe sizes so I can feel like I'm getting a good deal. I don't know, I don't feel like it's a bad bag, but at the same time, like, I will hope for better sizes. That is it for this video. Like, subscribe, comment, whatever you want to do. And let me know what you got on your box. Oh, and I just wanted to remind you that I'm hosting a giveaway, so I'm gonna leave the video on the description box. So if you want to enter, just go watch that video, and on the description box of that video there's gonna be the rules or everything that you need to know to enter the giveaway. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.